So today we are going to speak, can Luna Classic actually reach $1? And the reason why I want to speak about it is because lately Binance decided they are going to burn Luna Classic as well. And those are pretty insane news, and Luna went up for over 65%. So a lot of influencers started to shill $1 Luna. And because of that, I'm going to give you my honest opinion, but before everything, this is not financial advice. So before we continue, we need to go back and see how Binance decided that they are going to help burn Luna Classic. So it all started on Twitter Space, and CEO on Binance got a question: will Binance support Luna Classic burn of 1.2% for every trade on Binance? He responded that project needs to implement this on chain first, and of course, community like community, everyone started to speak about it. Eventually even influencers started to spread the word, until this article when he said that he didn't make any promises. After this article, everything went crazy again. As soon it was published, you can see it was immediate sell-off. It was not big sell-off, it was around 10%, which is kind of huge when you have around 2 billion market cap. And then a few days later, Binance released another article when basically they change it. And over here he said, unless every single exchange in world put those 1.2% taxes, it will not work, because if only Binance put those taxes, basically what is going to happen, they will lose customers, because if traders see that there are taxes and on another exchange there are no taxes, they will just switch and they will go trade over there. And because of that, he put some rules which I will not read because they are not important anymore, because only 3 days later they made another article where they decide that they are going to actually help burning Luna. So I will not read all of that because we don't have time. Instead of that, we are going to read his another tweet why they decide that they are going to help burning Luna. So first thing is, Luna Classic community wasn't happy with this approach. Then it's going to take a while to develop it, and 3, it's not going to work anyway, our traders won't vote for it. So instead that their trader need to pay for taxes which will eventually burn Luna Classic, they said that they are going to pay taxes from their own expenses and not users for every single Luna Classic spot and margin trading parts on Binance. So this way it's going to be fair for everyone, trading experience will remain the same, and Binance can still contribute in Luna Classic burn, which is what community wants. So not gonna lie, this is insane news. Hopefully another exchanges will follow what Binance did, but now will this help Luna to reach $1? Short answer, no. I know you are going to hate me because of that, but Luna will not reach $1, at least not in close future, which I'm saying like next 15-20 years. After that, I have no clue what is going to happen with dollar, with economy, but close future, no. Reason why: Luna is way too damaged, market cap is insanely high already. Can we see 10 to 20x in future? Yeah, why not? It's really possible. And over here we can also see one really nice article: how long will take to Luna Classic to reduce its first trillion. So over here they're saying that we can assume that Luna Classic burn 400 million tokens every single day. It will take approximately 6.85 years to remove its first trillion from supply. So Luna has 6 trillion, and 6.85 years is going to take to remove only 1 trillion. Of course, this is calculated without Binance and without off-chain burn, but even if it's double every single day, which I truly believe that is impossible, it's gonna take around 3.5 years only for first trillion. If this happens, what is going to happen? Price will rise, burning will become way harder, because every single token will require way more money to burn itself. And over here we can see one really nice calculation, how much we need in percentage to reach that $1, and over here you can see that we need 332,000% to reach $1 from now. So if we go back to our beautiful coin market cap and we see market cap of 1.6, almost 1.7 billion dollars, if you want $1 Luna today, multiply it by 3,324, I believe, and this is what we need market cap to be if we want to see $1 Luna. This is 5 trillion, almost $6 trillion. Just to compare, this maximum market cap from Bitcoin was 1 trillion and whole market cap I believe was 2.2 trillion, I'm not so sure. So Luna Classic market cap need to be twice as big as all-time high market cap of whole crypto. So I really think that this won't happen. Actually, I'm pretty sure that this won't happen. But then we are coming to question why every single influencer is making video about Luna Classic, how they are going to reach $1. Well, reason for this is this over here. This is one of my videos, how to sell resources in one NFT game for real money. And for that video, for each 1000 views, I would get $100 cash. Reason why it's so high is because those are crypto videos. This is a bit too much. Usually for crypto videos are around $20 for 1000 views. And the reason why I'm speaking about how much YouTube is paying for crypto videos is because Luna Classic have insane community. A lot of people lose money, so a lot of people watching those videos on YouTube, and there is a lot of influencers which are doing like 4 videos a day every single day, and they're doing that like for 2-3 months without stop. Apparently YouTube algorithm is really broken, and all these people are making same exact videos. In every single video they are going to coin market cap, they are reading market cap, fully diluted market cap, how much volume today Luna Classic had, then they go and speak how much Luna was burned today, then they shield you their Binance referral link, and they're all affiliate, but they are not give you maximum what is possible on Binance, they are giving you way lower one. That's why be extremely careful which Binance code you are using, because maximum on Binance is 20%, and if you go to their videos they are probably giving you like 5%. So I have no clue how they can make 4 videos a day, because with all content around Luna, with all drama, you can make maybe 1 video every 3 or 4 days. So basically they're just repeating themselves. It's okay, this is their business, it's probably really profitable because YouTube is paying really good. I can even calculate you all of that. So they're making 4 views every single day for 30 days, which is 120 videos a month, and then every single video have around 8000 views in average, which is 960,000 video views a month. So like I said, they are getting average like $20 for every 1000 views, so they're making a month $19,200 in average. Of course, like you can see, even this video of me, this is only 7 minutes long, but if video is 8 or more minutes long, you can put even more ads, so you can even make more money. So this is maybe even low. So I have no clue. At the end of the day, this is your own opinion, you need to do your own research. All these people which are saying that Luna will reach $1 every single month, they are making money no matter of price. That's why do your own research, and peace.